everyone, I am so thankful you came back for another video, and if you're brand new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. Today I am tidying up my guest bedroom and guest bathroom. The bedroom especially stays really clean these days, except for collecting a lot of dust. So I do need to make a point to stay on top of that, and then the bathroom always needs to be wiped down and the toilet cleaned and things like that. But the most exciting thing about today's video is it's a collaboration with my awesome friend here on YouTube, Gigi. And right now I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Gigi. I am a wife, a mom of two, and over on my channel you'll see a lot of cleaning, decorating, organization, motivation, and I also put in some beauty videos. So I usually do some get ready with me and try on hauls. If this is the kind of videos that you like to watch, after you're done watching Crystal's video, head over to my channel and check my channel out. I would love to have you guys. Don't forget to introduce yourself in the comment section so I can say hi, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you.
In addition to loving Gigi's accent, I also love that she brings the motivation with lots of energy and has a great attitude. So head over there once you're done watching my video so you can show her some love. Let her know I sent you, and don't forget to subscribe while you're there. If you came over from Gigi's channel, welcome. I am so thankful that you took the time to watch my video. If you like my content, please click the red subscribe button below so you can join my family. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, but the most important thing is please leave a comment introducing yourself. The comments are my favorite place to hang out and talk to everyone, especially when I can meet some awesome new people. As I mentioned previously, this is our guest bedroom, so it does not get a lot of use, especially now, but boy does it collect the dust. So I am just wiping everything down, and these blinds, the window and the windowsill were especially dusty. And then these pictures to my left, I don't know why, but there was so much dust in the little crevices on the frame. So you will see me give those some extra TLC. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, cause I don't wanna lose what we had. Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, cause I swear I will. Some type of way. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will know that my husband and I have been doing some home updates. A lot of the things in here that are the builder grade are just not our style. One of the things that I want to do, and it's just not the top on my list right now, is to do some updates to this guest bedroom. This little TV stand is not really what it's even meant to be. The nightstands and just things like that definitely need a total update. I will get to that eventually, but make sure you're following me over there because I love to post before and after pictures.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself.
Today I'm just tidying up, but I have so many things that I need to do, which means more content for you guys. My office needs a makeover. My master bathroom needs some decorating and organization. I've got some deep cleaning things that need to be done. You guys know how it is. So please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also click the bell next to the subscribe button and choose all, and that will ensure that you never miss an upload.
Yeah, for all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I've been running from my doom.
As a lot of you know, vacuum lines are one of my happy places, so I just wanted to give you a quick once over before we head into the guest bathroom.
Can't stay right when it's blowing, pushing me down.
Speaking of home updates, we recently changed out the big builder grade mirror to this one in our guest bathroom, and we haven't patched any holes from where the other mirror was yet. You can see a little one right above the faucet, and then there's two at the top, because we really want to paint. So we're trying to decide if we want to go ahead and do that or just wait until we get some painting done.
I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again.
Guys, let me know in the comments, do your toilets get, I don't even know what this is. I don't know if it's mold or whatever, but it's like if they sit for any length of time, they get like that, which of course is why we have to clean them, but I'm just curious. And also, do you have spaces in your home that are very infrequently used, whether they're guest areas or other rooms? If you do, how often do you tidy those up?
But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I've been running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
I will not be mopping today, but this space did need a vacuum, so I wanted to go ahead and get the mat as well as anything on the floors. This was a quick one, but it still means everything to me that you stayed till the end, so I cannot thank you enough. Don't forget to head over to Gigi's channel, subscribe, and just let her know that I sent you. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and that's it. Take care of yourselves and your families. I love you, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.